Hi, in front of me is OUKITEL WP20 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and choosing Notifications right away. Following that, select App Settings, click on Most Recent at the top and pick the perfect option for you, like Most Frequent. Wherever you decided, when you're done, tap on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. If you wish to, you can also click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!